This model kit reviews of the Mercedes-Benz, the 500 SL, and this is a 124 scale model by Tamiya. And looks like it's going to have some engine parts there, and some different ways to paint. And hard top or the top down. Top down, I think, is the classic for the 500 SL. So let's start off by having a look here. Here's our body shell, and this is fairly well molded. We do have some mold lines here, but all in all fairly well molded. Some nice detail. Here's our glass, the hard top, windshield, windows, lights. So here are our wheels. They're actually fairly well molded and nicely painted, actually. Normally I don't like the chrome. Here we have our bumpers, we have our radiator fan, we've got engine parts, lots of good detail here, and all very well molded. Got our exhaust system, catalytic converter, our belts, all nicely molded. So here's our chassis, also with some really good detail there. Here's our front hood, our seats, back of the seats, steering wheel, and looks like part of our suspension. Here's the other side of the chassis. Here's our cockpit tub. We've got our differential, other parts of the suspension, lots and lots of parts here. Here are our brakes, here's some more brakes, here's our dashboard, some nice detail, radiator fan. Really well made model. We have our wheels, which have got some nice detail on the tread, and even on the side here. Let's have a look out of here. So we have some of these decals, nicely printed. Let's have a look inside here. So we start off with the engine, lots of parts to that. That's mounted on the chassis, and then we put the suspension and axles on. Exhaust goes on, the corners then go on, and here's the front. That's then put on the chassis. Wheels are put together, and control arms. There's our radiator. Then the dashboard is put together, as well as the seats. The cockpit tub is then built and painted. That's all put together on the chassis. The glass is put inside the body and inside of the roof. Body's put on the chassis. Remaining parts including bumpers, exhausts, side mirrors, the hood, and so on. And last few pieces, we can have the windows up or down. And over here is the painting and decal guide. That's about it. So all in all, very good quality model, well molded, lots of detail. This is a typical Tamiya.